Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Welcome learners, my name is Stephen Kariongi and we are discussing the topic acids, bases and indicators, a topic in Form 1 chemistry. So at this stage we are discussing the properties of acids, and during our previous lesson we discussed one property that when dilute acids react with metals we get a salt and hydrogen gas. We also went on further to reveal that hydrogen is a colorless gas that burns with a pop sound. So that is how you test that the gas is hydrogen gas. So if we find that a gas is burning in air with a pop sound, that's a pop sound, that gas is definitely hydrogen gas. So today we are going to look at different salts that are produced by different acids. So we have in one column we'll have the acid and then we'll have the type of salt. The type of salt it forms. So for example, if it is hydrochloric acid, then the type of salt that it forms chlorides. It forms chlorides. So something like sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, they are obtained from hydrochloric acid. If we take another acid such as sulfuric acid, then the type of salts that we get, they are called sulfates. So calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, they are salts obtained from sulfuric acid. And from nitric acid, we get salts that are called nitrates. Sodium nitrate, magnesium nitrate, etc. We have phosphoric acid. This one forms salts that are called phosphates. And then lastly, carbonic acid. So basically, we are saying that we have an acid and the type of salts it forms. Hydrochloric acid forms chlorides, salts that are called chlorides. Sulfuric acid forms sulfates. Nitric acid forms nitrates. Phosphoric acid forms phosphates. And carbonic acid forms carbonates. So different acids form different salts, as we can see from this table. So that is as far as the acids are concerned and the types of salts that they form. So we have that, and we'll take some few examples. We'll take a few examples of reactions between metals and dilute acids. And on this, we'll take hydrochloric acid plus magnesium. So we'll get magnesium chloride because from hydrochloric acid we get chlorides. So we'll have magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. So hydrogen gas must be there as long as there's a metal and an acid.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers,